Okay, so the topic for this day will be all about the cardinality and identifying sets and equivalent sets. Okay, so the first thing that we will do today is find the cardinality of the set. Okay, so cardinality class. So a finite number, a set is finite if the number of elements in the set is a whole number. Okay, it doesn't mean that the uh, numbers in the set should be whole numbers. It could be any numbers or any element. Okay? So the cardinal number of a finite set is the number of elements in the set. Okay? So when we are talking about cardinal number again, so it refers to counting. So when we say cardinality class, okay, we just need to count the number of elements inside the set. Okay, so in representing cardinality, it is denoted by n. Okay, open parenthesis, and then you put the letter of the set depending upon what is given. Okay, so that would represent the cardinality of the set. Okay, so for instance, you have your example. A is equals to the set of 1, 4, 6, 9. So this one class, the set 1, 4, 6, 9 is written, or ang cardinality niya is this one. So when writing a cardinality, you write first n, which represents the number, the set equals to 4. Bakit siya 4, ma'am? Okay? So 4 sa class kasi 4 ang number of elements. So we have 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay? So, 4 yan siya. Kasi again, apat ang numbers. But there is one condition. What is that one condition? Kahit pa class babalik-balik ang number, meaning kung dagdagan ko ito, for example, dito ng 1, okay, it doesn't change the fact that the cardinality of the set is 4. Okay? 4 pa rin siya. Ma'am, gidungagan naman ni Mug 1. Yes, but the cardinality is again 4. Bakit 4? Because okay? Ang one condition ni cardinality class is kahit pa pabalik-balik, kahit pa 10 times, 20 times pabalik-balik yan si 1, you count that as 1. So, isa lang talaga yan siya kahit pa pabalik-balik ang number. So, it is stated class, this one as A has a cardinality of 4. Okay, so let's continue. Okay, so we have here, okay, find the cardinality of each of the following sets. So how do we write this one? So the cardinality of the set J. So N, lagay ka muna ng N, and then open parenthesis, lagay mo si J. Okay. Lang ba? Okay, lagay mo si J because that will represent the set J. Okay, and the cardinality class is 2. Again, bakit siya 2, ma'am? Okay, kasi we have here 1 and 2. So, dalawa lang ka elements ang nasa loob ng set. Next, we have here the set S. So, ito naman ibang example. So, the cardinality of the set S. So, how do you solve that one? Okay? So, ito sa class, itong tatlong dots, okay, will represent the number from 8 to 30. Di ba? Pag may makita kang tatlong dots, that means so on and so forth. So, this will now class, take note that this is a series of number. So, in the series of numbers class, these 3 dots will represent the numbers from 8 hanggang 30. Okay? So, if you solve that one, okay, okay lang yung ganito, pwede mo pa yung i-count. But how about, okay, because there are instances, okay, na maabot og 400 or aabot ng 1,000 ang given. So how will you do that one? So first is you take the last number. So the last number class is 31. So minus class, ang i-minus mo class, so for example, we have here the last number is 3. So ang or the first number is 3 rather. Okay, so ang ipa-minus mo class ang number before the first number. Meaning, ang before sa number 3 is number 2. So 31 minus 2. Okay? Kung for example class, 5 lang ni nag-start diri, then therefore, the previous number na ima-minus mo is the 4. Okay? So, 31 minus 2, the answer is 29. Okay? So, 29 ang sagot. So, therefore, class, the cardinality of the set is 29. So, there are 29 elements in the set S. Yan yung meaning niya. Now, next, we have here, the set T is equals to 3, 3, 7, 7, and 51. So, the cardinality of the set T naman, okay, so the answer for this one, class, is 3. Now, bakit 3, ma'am? Okay? So again, take note with the condition na kahit pa pabalik-balik ang number, kaisa lang nimo siya i-consider o count. Okay? So we have here 3. So you count that as 1. Okay? And this is 2 and this is 3. Okay? So that is now the cardinality of the set T. Okay? How about the last one? So we have here the cardinality of the set A. Okay? So the cardinality of the set A, class, so, paano siya i-count? Okay. 4 ang 1. So, you count that as 1. Okay. Again, kahit pabalik-balik, you count that as 1. Any number. Okay. And then, si 4, kadalawa siya. So, 1 pa rin ang you count that as 1. So, we have 2 elements na. You have 3. Okay. 4. So, pabalik-balik si 7. Okay. 5, 6, 7, and 8. So, we have here now the cardinality of the set A, which is 8. So, that is how you find the cardinality of a given set. Okay. So, let's continue. So, we have here another. Find the cardinality of each of the following sets. Okay. So, meron lagi yan siyang negative numbers. Again, class. Okay. So, the cardinality of the set C is, we have here 1, okay, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? Kahit pa may decimal, may fraction dyan, may negative na number dyan, class, you count that as is. Okay? As long as nasa loob siya ng set. So, consider yan siya. Kasi again, when we see cardinality, it is the number of elements in the set. Okay, so we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So, 5 dapat ang sagot natin. Okay? And then for this one naman, we consider this one as the cardinality of the set D. Okay, the answer, class, is 1. Ma'am, nganong 1 nga 0 man ang naadera. Okay, class, take note that 0 is the element. But the number of elements are there is 1, which is the 0. So the answer is 1. Now we have here the cardinality of set E. Okay, so in getting the cardinality of the set, okay, so the answer for this one, class, is 0. Because take note, this is a null set. Okay, or we can also have it as an, okay, we can show it as an empty set. So take note, wala siyang laman. So therefore, the answer is 0. Okay, so numbers lang talaga ang answer ni cardinality. Okay, so that is, class, for the cardinality. Okay, so you just simply count the number of elements. Okay.